Right, so this is my Yamaha Virago 125, which I only bought a few weeks ago, but I've already had a few problems with it because I was riding along and the engine just kept cutting out. Would leave it for about 5 minutes and then try and start it up again, which it would start up, but yeah, it just kept cutting out. I fitted an external fuel filter here, just down there, which is filling up with fuel, and it's still cutting out even with that fitted. So I'm unsure whether it's a fuel problem or a blockage in there, or whether it's an electrical problem. Everything else, like the lights, are all okay. And there you go, it's gone already. I mean, the lights and stuff are fine, but yeah, there we go. Any ideas would be much appreciated, or if anyone is out there that thinks they know what it might be and might be able to sort it, then get in touch. Thanks.